Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing a gimbal. It's a foldable smartphone gimbal from FeiyuTech. It's Vlog Pocket, one of their most bought gimbals. So in general it's a gimbal for your smartphone, but I think you might be able to use it for something else as well. So we are opening the box. A whole bunch of stuff. Quick start guide, okay, with just a few things. And we have a nice carry bag, whatever. This is the tripod, we'll check it out a bit later. And this is the gimbal. Very nice, quite small, as you can see it actually stays in my hand. And USB cable, I guess, for charging. Let's see. Oops. Nothing else in the box. So this is the gimbal. Here is the place where you can actually mount the tripod, like this. I guess you can also mount it on another tripod, something else. So you open it up like this and you can actually move it in different directions. This is my first time touching it, so I'm not sure how exactly this should work. I guess this is the place where you mount your phone or a bracket for your GoPro, for example, as this gimbal can hold up to 240 grams of device. So there are a lot of mounting brackets in Thingiverse where you can just print it on your 3D printer if you have one and just mount your GoPro right here. Again, this is the tripod, like this. You can also use it as a handle extender. Nice. I will try to use it with a small camera, handheld camera as well, like the point and shoot type, like this one. Something like this. This is one of my old cameras. So you can just mount it like this. And that's it. Let's see. Not quite sure how it works exactly right now, but I guess I'll learn to use it. That's about it, guys. Bye.